Ready to explode your YouTube views and get your content seen by thousands? First, head over to Google Ads and create a new campaign. Select Create a Campaign without a goals guidance since we're laser focused on views. Then, for campaign type, choose video. Now, pick your campaign subtype. Video reach is perfect for maximizing views. This will help you reach a broader audience. Time for bidding. Maximum CPV, or cost per view, is your best bet. This means you'll pay only when someone watches your video. Set a bid that you're comfortable with, keeping in mind how much a view is worth to you. Targeting is key. Refine your audience by selecting demographics like age and gender. Then, dive into interests and keywords relevant to your video's content. The more targeted you are, the more effective your campaign. Choose your ad format and stream ads that play before or during other videos are a great option. These let you grab attention with a captivating preview. Keep a close eye on your campaign performance. Track your views, impressions, and cost per view. If something isn't working, adjust your targeting or bidding to optimize your results. Now go out there and get those views.